right choice today with the 2017 S60. Downright shameless with the affectionate shows for curves. Volvo S60 is waiting for you. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, daytime running lights, rain-sensing wipers, HID headlights, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.